Reviewing this new knife. I just took it out of the container. This is the Boker Bulldog. It's a one of the Boker Magnum series, which are very cost-effective little knives, or big knives, as however it fails. And this is a standard Boker look. It has the small star screws in there, and this very rough-hewn, hard, heavy plastic, though the weight is the underlying steel frame here. And I never do a review in a vacuum, and this knife has been out for a while, but I reviewed the reviews, and one of the guys, who's big man, lots of views, disliked this basically because of its shape. I bought it because of its shape, so it didn't bother me. His theory was it looked like a part of the, let's just say, a unique part of the male anatomy that's not shared by the female anatomy. And a lot of his criticism was there, but also he had some good substantial reasons for criticism. He said that the screws had stripped, the little star screws here. I used to know what those are called, but I know how to buy the tool to take it off if I needed to. And he had problems with that. I don't blame him, but this one is perfect. All the screws are in place, and they're all perfectly intact and should be easy to remove. And the fact that it took a lot to sharpen it. Now, I don't think that's ever a reason not to like a knife. Now, not holding an edge is, but trouble sharpening it, no. You just have to sharpen it the right way. I used my belt sander to do the sharpening, so it sharpened without any problem at all. And I think we've got a pretty good edge on it. So let me just grab a little an envelope over here that I'm not going to be using, and I will just show you. So so I don't know if you would call that razor sharp, but I don't think it's bad, and I had no trouble sharpening it. Now, that's not to say that it might not have been a major problem with a belt, with a hand sharpener. Belt sharpener made easy work out of it. So I'll accept that, but I also don't accept the fact that you need to sharpen all of your knives in the field. Make sure your knife is sharp before you leave home, but do carry a hand sharpener, or a whetstone or something, in case you have issues where let's just say one of your compatriots is not as earnest with sharpening their knives, and they might need a little emergency sharpening help, and you'll have it with you. But this is a very strong knife, and I really do like, because it's easy to open. It has a very large finger gap here, and you can open it very easily. Without even swinging it open, you can open it very easy. So, see, just like that. If you want to do it the fast way, you want to do it the quick way, it's fine. It's got a very heavy blade, so it flips out very easily, and it locks and unlocks very easy. I had trouble with locking on one of my Boker knives, but I think that was unusual. See, I have to really give it a good swing if I don't open it all the way. But it's a very good knife. It sharpened well. It looks very, very intact. So I really got no complaints about it. And it's a great everyday carry knife. When you take it out, it looks impressive, and it cuts. What more do you want from a knife? And there was also a point that he didn't like it because it wasn't pointy. It's pointy enough. It'll actually get the job done. Whatever the case, we'll see you next time.